Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last time I discussed about the rules of divisibility and the difference between even and odd numbers. Today's topic is changing fractions to lowest terms, and this is the rules. Divide the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. So, gagawin natin ngayon, i-apply natin yung natutunan natin na divisibility rule in changing fractions to lowest terms. And we're going to solve some problems. Okay? So, these are the problems. Okay. Apply natin divisibility rules. Yan. Write each fractions in lowest term. Number 1. Yan. Divisible siya by 3. Ang greatest common factor niya ay 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, ito yung lowest term niya. Number 2. 14 over 21. Ang kanilang greatest common factor ay 7. Okay? 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Ito sa number 3, dahil siya ay even numbers, divisible siya by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, answer mo ay 9 over 10. Ito rin, even numbers. So, divisible siya by 2. Kaya 20 divided by 2 is 10. 42 divided by 2 is 21. So, ito ay number 5. 6 over 39. So, ang GCF niya ay 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 39 divided by 3 is 13. Ito lowest term niya. 2 over 13. Number 6. 2 and 8 over 14. So, itong 8 over 14 ang ilo-lowest term natin. Okay? Even number siya. Nadidivide siya sa 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay? So, retain lang ang 2. Yan yung whole number. So, ang answer niya ay 2 and 4 over 7. Number 7. Ayan, 3 and 16 over 24. Itong 16 over 24 ay even numbers. So, nadidivide siya sa 2. 16 divided by nadidivide din siya sa 8 pareho kasi greatest common factor ang kinukuha natin. Okay, hindi yung mababang common factor. So, 8 para diretso tayo sa sagot. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Kaya ang sagot mo ay 3 and 2/3. Next. Number 8. Ayan. Divisible siya by 5 kasi nag-end siya sa 0 tsaka 5. Okay, kaya i-divide natin siya sa 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Kaya ang sagot mo ay 5 and 5 over 8. Okay, mga naka-lowest term na siya. Ito naman, divisible siya by 3. Greatest common factor ay 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Ito naman, divisible siya by 3. Greatest common factor niya rin ay 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 30 divided by 3 is 10. Ito ay improper fraction. Okay, 110 over 50. So, ganito ang pag-solve niyan. 110 over 50. Okay. Kailangan natin siyang i-convert sa mix. Okay. Ilang 50 meron sa 110? Diba? 2 Ito yan. Dalawang 50, which is 100 yun, di ba? Kaya dito, 110 minus 100 ay 10. Yun ang numerator natin. Tapos, retain pa rin ng 50. Ngayon, ito ay nag-i-end sa 0 pareho. Kaya ito ay divisible by 10. So, 10 divided by 10 is 1. 50 divided by 10 is 5. So, ito yung pinaka-final answer. Okay? Sa number 12, ganun din. Ayan. Improper fraction siya. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung kanyang numerator kaysa denominator. So, paano yun? Ito. Ilang 15 meron sa 42? Diba? Dalawa. Kasi 2 times 15 is 30. So, 42 minus 30 ay 12. So, retain. Copy mo yung 15. Ito, hindi pa siya naka-lowest term. Ilo-lowest term mo pa siya. So, divisible siya pareho by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, ito yung pinaka-answer niya. 2 and 4/5. Okay? So, number 13 na tayo. O, ganun din. 13. So, 13. Ayan. Improper fraction din siya. So, ilang 16 meron sa 26? 1. Where's the 13? Okay. Okay. 1, di ba? So, meron pang ilang natitira? 10. 10 over 16. Hindi ko na nasulat. 10 divided by 10 over 16 ay even numbers. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, ito yung pinaka-answer niya. 1 and 5 over 8. Ganun din yung procedure ng computation dito. Kanina. Subukan nyo na lang. Okay? So, number 14. Divisible siya by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Ganun lang. Ito, nadidivide siya sa 11. 22 divided by 11 is 2. 33 divided by 11 is 3. Ito naman, ang GCF niya ay 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 40 divided by 8 is 5. How about this? Ito naman, nadidivide siya sa, ang greatest common factor nila, 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 32 divided by 4 is 8. How about this? Ang GCF naman nito ay 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Ito, hindi na natin nila-lowest term kasi nasa lowest term na siya. Hindi na siya mal-lowest term. Okay? Number 20, 42 over 40 improper fraction ulit. So, ilang 40 meron sa 42? 1. So, may natira pang ito. Okay? 1, di ba? So, it represents the 40. Okay. So, may natira pa siyang 2 kasi 42 minus 40 is 2. So, ito ay hindi pa lowest term, yung 2 over 40. So, even sila, nadidivide sila sa 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So, ito yung pinaka-final answer niya, 1 and 1 over 20. And last but not the least, yan. 36. Ang 36, ang common factor ng 36 at saka 54 do we have here? Ayan. Pwede natin siyang kunin sa ladder method kasi medyo mataas siya. Ladder method or continuous division ang tawag dito. Okay? There's 36 saka 54. So, kunin natin. Divide natin na mula sa 2 muna siya, yung pinakamaliit na prime number. 36 divided by 2, 18. 54 divided by 2, 27. May common factor pa sila, which is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So, may common factor pa rin uli ito, which is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, yung 2 and 3, wala nang common factor. So, stop na tayo dyan. So, ang GCF mo ay 2, itong straight na to. 2 times 3 times 3 equals 18. So, yan, bali ang GCF mo. So, i-divide natin sila sa 18. Kaya, 36 divided by 18 is 2. 54 divided by 18 is 3. So, yun. At, dyan nagtatapos ang ating topic for today. Which is changing fractions to lowest terms, at nag-solve tayo ng iba't ibang problem. Okay? That's all for now. Thanks and have a nice day.